Neurodegenerative diseases affect millions of people globally, with Alzheimer's and Parkinson's being the two most common conditions. Researchers and clinicians worldwide are working to understand how and why these diseases affect our brains and ways that we can prevent and treat them more effectively. Scientists hypothesize that the accumulation of metabolic waste products, like certain types of proteins and peptides, is one of the underlying causes of many neurological diseases. But it's likely that lifestyle choices, genetics, age, and other environmental factors play a significant role as well. Another issue with studying neurodegenerative diseases is that each one has its own clinical symptoms and pathology, making it difficult to find one solution for diagnosing and treating all of them. But in 2013, a team of researchers made a groundbreaking discovery about our brain's ability to remove toxic waste that might offer key insights into the study of neurodegenerative diseases. Dr. Maike Nedergaard and her colleagues from the University of Rochester Medical Center published a paper proposing that the brain has a system to remove neurotoxic waste products that accumulate in the awake central nervous system. The researchers decided to call it the glymphatic system because it involves our brain's glial cells and because it works similarly to our lymphatic system in our peripheral organs. Think of the glymphatic system like the brain's waste removal service, clearing out toxins and metabolic debris while we sleep. We all know the importance of a good night's sleep, but learning more about the glymphatic system might explain one of the reasons why sleep is so crucial for maintaining good brain health. While there's still a lot we don't know about the glymphatic system and how it works, it has gained significant traction among brain imaging researchers for its potential to study neurological disorders. One of these researchers is Dr. Nan-Kuei Chen, a biomedical engineering professor and MRI physicist from the University of Arizona. Dr. Chen and his colleague, Dr. Yinghui Cho, are working on two different methods of neuromodulation that could potentially be used to enhance brain waste clearance. The first method is transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS for short. Dr. Cho is the test subject and is getting an MRI to map her brain before undergoing 3 rounds of TMS. TMS is a non-invasive technology that sends painless magnetic pulses to the brain. It is an FDA-approved treatment for depression, but Dr. Cho also studies the effect of TMS on mild cognitive impairment in adults.
The way of modulating glymphatic activity through externally applied electromagnetic wave is kind of novel in some ways. So that's why it's important that once we do that, we need to use good MR technology to see if we can see any effect on glymphatic activity.
Okay. Acquire. And ear. Acquire. And the big coil, we have found a spot using basically looking at white matter tracts in the brain that we think is going to most correspond to the hippocampus, which is our sort of target area for memory. And so we'll just be doing that stimulation.
What we are trying to do is that even though we are not sleeping, even though we are not in non-REM sleep stage 3, if the externally applied EM wave could enhance the activity. So maybe that's another interventional procedure that could be applied to human subject.
After 3 rounds of TMS, Dr. Cho receives one more MRI in order to study if there are any effects on the glymphatic system.